Will AI agents kill consumer apps? With the influx of AI agents, this is an intriguing topic I wanted to talk about on my channel. There's a lot to uncover in this video, so be sure to stick around until the very end. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan, and my mission is to help you navigate the overwhelming world of artificial intelligence. And if you want to know my favorite AI tools and prompts, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. You can find the link for my free guide in the video description or pinned comment below. Imagine never having to open DoorDash, Uber, or Amazon again. You just say, "Order my usual from the Thai place," and your AI assistant handles everything. It finds the restaurant, places the order, pays, even tips. This isn't some science fiction fantasy. It's already happening. AI agents, real working ones, are navigating the internet, taking actions, and doing what used to require you to open an app, scroll, and tap a dozen buttons. OpenAI's Operator is a prime example. It was launched in early 2025 and can already place orders, book travel, and apply for jobs. But here's the kicker. It doesn't use apps the way you and I do. It navigates the web like a human, but with robotic efficiency. That means apps like DoorDash or Uber might become invisible middlemen in a transaction. So the big question isn't whether AI agents will change things, it's how far this goes and what it means for businesses that rely on direct app usage to survive. AI agents are different from chatbots. These aren't just answering questions, they're taking action, clicking buttons, filling forms, handling payment flows, and with open protocols like Anthropic's Model Context Protocol, or MCP, they can connect across platforms like Gmail, GitHub, Slack, and even Salesforce. Think of MCP as the universal plug that lets any AI model talk to nearly any app or service. That kind of open access is a big deal. Before this, developers had to write custom code for every integration. Now, one standard lets AI connect to almost everything, and developers are embracing it fast. Tools like Cursor and Windsurf are already making this plug-and-play agent functionality real. Companies like DoorDash and Instacart don't just make money from deliveries, they monetize the experience, they upsell you on featured restaurants, they collect your data, they build loyalty through the app UI. But what happens when the customer never actually opens the app? That's what DoorDash executives are already worried about. And rightfully so. If AI agents start handling orders on your behalf, DoorDash loses visibility. Their advertising model takes a hit. Their brand experience gets hijacked by a middleman they can't control. This phenomenon has a name: disintermediation. It's what happens when a new technology cuts out the middle layer between a business and its customers. And it's happened before. Think about how Google disrupted publishers, or how Amazon became the first stop for shopping, not brand websites. Now, AI agents might be the next gatekeepers controlling access to digital services. But before we start declaring the death of consumer apps, let's be real about a few things. First, AI agents aren't perfect. They're still slow, they break on complex sites, and most are only available to premium users paying hefty monthly fees, $200 a month or more. Second, there's no single outcome here. I see three likely scenarios playing out. Scenario 1, AI agents dominate. Apps take a back seat. Consumers rely on their AI assistant for everything from shopping to booking travel. In this world, companies must negotiate with AI providers, just like brands do with Amazon or Google today. Scenario 2, AI agents supplement app usage. They become helpful tools, not total replacements. Consumers still use apps when they want full control or rich interaction, but use agents for repeatable or routine tasks. Scenario 3, AI to AI interaction. Companies build their own AI agents that talk directly to the consumer's agent. Walmart is already exploring this. Imagine your AI agent negotiating with Walmart's AI agent to find the best price on toilet paper without you lifting a finger. No matter which path wins, the one constant is change, and the companies that survive won't be the ones clinging to app downloads. They'll be the ones adapting to this new agent-driven interface. So what should businesses be doing right now? First, start experimenting with AI workflows internally. Get comfortable with how agents operate. Build use cases. Second, rethink your metrics. If fewer people are opening your app, how else can you measure engagement? Brand mentions, AI surfaced visibility, conversion rates. Those become your new KPIs. Third, optimize for AI visibility. Just like SEO changed when Google started ranking featured snippets, we'll see similar shifts for agent-based search and actions. Your product data, pricing, availability, all of that needs to be machine readable. And here's something I've been telling my clients. Create content that informs the agent, not just the end user. Agents will start pulling info directly from your site or structured data. Make it easy for them. There's also a big opportunity here because the companies that embrace this early are going to build deeper, more frictionless relationships with customers. They'll be first in line when AI agents are deciding what restaurant to order from or what SaaS tool to recommend. Think of this like voice assistants all over again, but this time with actual muscle behind them. So will AI agents kill consumer apps? Not entirely, but they're going to change the game. Apps will still matter, but not in the same way. They'll become infrastructure, background players in a world where AI handles the front-end interactions. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, share this with someone building an app-based business, and drop a comment below. Do you think AI agents are the future or just another tech trend? And don't forget, grab my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. It's in the description or pinned comment. See you in the next one.